हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं तनुश्री। कैसे आप सब? आई होप एवरीबडी इज डूइंग वेल। आज का जो टॉपिक है पॉटी ट्रेनिंग, विच इज़ अ वेरी बिग कंसर्न फॉर ऑल द मदर्स। एवरीवन हैज़ देयर ओन स्टोरी, ओन एक्सपीरियंस about the potty training. Some kids learn on their own at a very early age, and for some kids we mothers have to put in a lot of efforts. But yes, जितना जल्दी ये हैबिट आप बच्चों में इनकलकेट कर पाओ उतना अच्छा है, बहुत एडवांटेजेस है। बट अगर नहीं भी होता है तो भी यू शुडंट वरी अबाउट इट। जब आप रेडी है, आपका बच्चा रेडी है, दैट इज़ द राइट टाइम फॉर यू टू स्टार्ट द ट्रेनिंग। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली, जब आप रेडी हो, that is the time to start the training for the twins, because you have to keep the track of 2 kids and you have to train 2 kids. सिंगल बच्चों को ट्रेन करना बहुत ईजी होता है एज कम्पेयर टू ट्विंस, बिकॉज ट्विंस में आपको 2 बच्चों की पी टाइम, पॉटी टाइम सबका रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करना होता है। तो अगर आपका बच्चा 2, 3 या 4 साल का हो गया है बट स्टिल अभी तक पॉटी ट्रेन नहीं है, so do not worry. I hope this video will help you to stay worry free. Well, I'm a mother of twin boys, Nihan and Nivan, and I've started their training, potty training, when they were 3 years old. Today I'll be talking about my experience, why did I start at 3 and how did I do it. If you like this video or you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. When my kids were a year old, I thought of starting the P training first, and I put in all the efforts for a week or 2, but I couldn't continue as I have to keep a track of both the kids, their P times, and also have to take them after every hour, doing all the household work and the other things that for managing them. So it was difficult for me to continue at that time, so I left it. And then I spoke to doctor about the same, and he said it's okay to not worry, they will learn gradually. Started at 2, which was again difficult for me to continue. What I learned here is, if you start the training at a very early age, say less than a year, and if you continue the process without any interruption, you will definitely get this success at a very early age. The child will get trained very easily. But if you cannot do it in less than a year or around a year, then you should not do it when they are 2, because this is the age, they say it's a terrible phase of their life. Also there are twins, so it's really difficult to do it at that time, especially when the kids are very energetic or always on the toes and always want to play without a break like my kids. Then it's really difficult, because they don't want to waste a single minute of their time for all this. Even after explaining to them the concept about the potty training and all that, they don't take it so seriously, so it doesn't work. So what are the reasons they do not do it when they are 2, especially the twins? They don't want to waste the time of their play. Also they have a constant player with whom they are playing for a very long time, and they have their all pretend plays, and also at the same time thinking about that if I go to the washroom, then he might take my particular toy or something. So because of that, they do not go to the washroom for the pee or the potty. Also even after you make them understand, it doesn't work at that time. And one of the reason I found out that children at their age think that the potty is something that they are losing or letting go something from their body of their own. It's difficult for them, so you have to explain to them the concept again and again. You can show them videos about the potty training, but in my case it didn't work at that age. So, but every kid is different. For some it might work. So after continuing for say couple of months, I left the potty training at 2 again, also because I had to keep a track of both the kids. And plus I've noticed that when I used to take them for the potty training, they used to hold their potties for so long that they wouldn't do it at any cost, even after giving them any reward or anything. and also they wouldn't do it for that particular day also. It's better to stop the process or the training for this time. We got them two new potty pots for them as per their choice, which is still a brand new. They just had a pretend play for a day or two. And then I started at 3 and I found it very easy to train. I used to take them after every 2 hours, and as they were holding the pee for that long, consistently for 2 months. After that, they started telling me they want to go to the washroom, or simply they would take their pant down and run to the washroom, or sometimes I have to just say that it's your pee time, please go to the washroom, and they will run to the washroom. It was so easy. All the steps I had to follow when they were less than 3. I have to tell them consistently or have to take them to the washroom, but now it kind of became their habit of doing this process on their own. So this contributed a very little, but it was time saving for me. There were accidents, but it's okay. Gradually they understood the concept and they used to do it. Also they had a kind of competition between them, who will go first and all that. So again, it made it very easy to train them at 3, and they were learning it very quickly. Do it. So I used to take both of them at the same time, one after the other, and I did have to maintain 2 different time records. Yes, for some kids we have to, but in my case I didn't have to do it. Also, they have each other's company, so it kind of had a competition between them sometimes. So again, it was easy, and that's how I got them trained within 6 months, and I was super happy that finally they are potty trained or pee trained. What I learned from here is though it took time for me to train them at 3, but they learned it very fast and they understood the concept very well. They still play for the whole day without any break and do not waste a single minute for this, but as soon as the nature calls, they run to the washroom. I could train them for the potty as well, because I used to take them in the morning, the first thing after they wake up around 6:30 or 7, because it's a good habit to go in the morning. For you also, the day is easy, that you don't have to be concerned about the potty for the other time of the day. And that's how they got trained for the pee and the potty training. Important points before you start the potty training is basic points. Do not put them in the diaper at all. You can put them during the night time. First, take them to the pee for after every 2 hours or so, and do it consistently for a few months. For me it took 2 months, I guess, but some kids might take a week also and they'll be trained. So for that period of time, you have to keep consistently, you have to take them for the pee after every 2 hours or 3 hours. They can hold for that long. Try to take them both at the same time, one after the other. It will be hassle free and easy to remember the time. But do note that timings separately, because it might happen that some or the other time one of the kid will not do the pee at that particular time. Understand their expression, their behavior when they will poop. As soon as you notice that, take them to the washroom or to their potty seat. Try to give them the routine to clear their stomach as soon as they wake up in the morning. It will be an easy day for you. The most important, the patience is the key for this training. Also, when you start this training, do not break it at any cost till the time you get success. Appreciate them when they do it. Also, if they don't do it, still you should appreciate them. At least they have come to the washroom. You can reward them for some time, but it didn't work for me, so I didn't follow this step. But yes, if it works for you, you should reward them for the same. They will be more interested for the next time. You can engage them in reading while doing their potty, or you can give them the screen time for some time. They can play some games, and that's how you can train them. Also, you need to understand that you cannot do this training forcefully, or when they are ready and you are ready, then is the right time to do it. If you do it forcefully, it will not work out. If you think that you're not able to do it with two kids together, so you can do it with one of the kids first. Maybe one of them is ready for this training, and then you can do it for the other one. We are all mothers and we are trying to help each other. Nobody is there to judge you. There's no right or wrong for this. Whichever time is good for you and your kids is the best time to start. These experiences help us to gain something for our good, or at least keep us stress free. They will learn with the time and the routine. Also, efforts have to be taken by the parents. So this is it for today. I hope this video will help you in some or the other way, and if it does, do like, share and subscribe to my channel.